Hello children, how are you today? Children, we are done with 2D shapes, that is the flat shapes. Now we are going to start with 3D shapes. 3D shapes are three-dimensional because they have length, breadth and height. They have length, breadth and height, that is why they are called solid shapes. They occupy space. Wherever they are kept, they take some space. That means they occupy some space. And they all have face. They all have edges where faces meet, and they all have corners where edges meet. So one by one we are going to take up the 3D shapes. These all are the examples of 3D shapes. These are all the 3D shapes. Now let us come to the first one. Matchbox, book, brick, tea pack, suitcase, almirah. These are all the examples of the same shape. They look alike because they are all cuboid in shape. So we are going to know about cuboid. Let us count its edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It has 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 faces. 3 of the faces are visible from the front side, but the rest 3 of the faces are not visible, they are hidden. Now, move on to the next one. The next few examples we can see here. This is a book. As we have already seen that it's the example of a cuboid, and it is a perfect example of a cuboid. It has top face, bottom face, front face, back face and side faces. It has 6 faces, as we can see through the arrows, through the pointers we can see that it has 6 faces, and right now all the 6 are visible. So our book is the example of cuboid. Now let's move on. A dice, ice cube, sugar cubes, chalk box, gift box. They are all examples of a new shape. This shape is cube. Now one by one we are going to count different edges, corners and faces of cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It has 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces. So this is a new shape. They all look alike. A chalk, glass, cylinder, tube light, log of wood. So they are all examples of a cylinder. Now we'll know about a cylinder shape. The cylinder shape has 3 faces. 2 of its faces are flat surfaces. They are flat faces and they have curved edge. They don't have straight edge. And one of its faces curved face. Curved face is called curved surface. So 2 flat faces and a 1 curved surface or 1 curved face. Now these football, globe, orange and cricket ball. They are all examples of some perfect shape, and this perfect shape is a sphere. A sphere is round and round. Can you see all the objects? They are completely round. They have one and only one curved surface. It does not have any flat face. It has only one curved face, which makes it perfect. Now look at these. A top, joker's cap, tip of the pencil and funnel. They are all the examples of the same shape. These are all the examples of a cone. Yes, a cone shape. It has one corner. It has one curved edge. And it has curved surface, one curved surface and a flat face, that is a shape of a circle at the bottom. So it has one flat. Now children, the next of our shape is a pyramid. Yes, the base shape of the pyramid is square. That means it is square at the base. And the number of faces it has are 5. 4 triangular and 1 square face. And it has 8 edges and the number of corners it has 5 where the edges meet. So this is
sphere, cylinder, pyramid, cube, cone.
They're all 3D shapes.
There are many places to find a sphere, like if a tennis ball happens to roll near. You can shoot a sphere playing basketball, and you see one in the sky when the moonlight falls. Planets are spheres, whether red or blue. The bearings and machines are tiny spheres too. Marbles are spheres that roll around. Spheres are exercise balls that bounce up and down. Spheres are shapes that are perfectly round, like balls that tend to roll along the ground.
Let's go!
Sphere, cylinder, pyramid, cube, cone, singing through the megaphone. Sphere, cylinder, pyramid, cube, cone, singing through the megaphone. Sphere, cylinder, pyramid, cube, cone, all 3D shapes.
3D shapes.
One kitchen cylinder is a soup can. They look the same from New York to Japan. Pens can be cylinders we use every day. Power poles are cylinders that bring power our way. Toilet paper rolls are cylinders too, if the missing bases are added by you. Some jars might be cylinders as well. When it comes to straws, it can be hard to tell. Cylinders have 2 circular bases that are congruent parallel faces.
Let's go!
Sphere, cylinder, pyramid, cube, cone, singing through the megaphone. Sphere, cylinder, pyramid, cube, cone, singing through the megaphone. Sphere, cylinder, pyramid, cube, cone, all 3D shapes.
3D shapes.
The Egyptian pyramids stand very tall. Closed umbrellas look like pyramids before rainfall. Trees can look like pyramids touching the sky. A pyramid block of cheese, give it a try. Some house rooftops are pyramids too, and some perfume bottles with scents that are new. Pyramid-shaped paperweights on a desk, looking their best as they stand so picturesque. With the base and apex and faces, pyramids are found in the most wondrous places.
Let's go!
Sphere, cylinder, pyramid, cube, cone, singing through the megaphone. Sphere, cylinder, pyramid, cube, cone, singing through the megaphone. Sphere, cylinder, pyramid, cube, cone, all 3D shapes.
3D shapes.
If you roll dice, then you roll cubes. Pirate crystal cubes can be grown in tubes. Blocks are cubes, much of the time. Clocks can be cubes, making hourly chimes. A box in the mail might be a cube shape. Ice cubes can cool your ice cream shake. Some cube containers store food in the fridge, and some concrete cubes can hold up a bridge. The faces of a cube are all a square, so we can spot them almost anywhere.
Let's go!
Sphere, cylinder, pyramid, cube, cone, singing through the megaphone. Sphere, cylinder, pyramid, cube, cone, singing through the megaphone. Sphere, cylinder, pyramid, cube, cone, all 3D shapes.
3D shapes.
Waffle cones can hold vanilla ice cream. Hats on witches are cones that might make you scream. Orange cones can show dangers in the road. Teepees are cones that make a great bow. Castle turrets are cones to watch outside. A flashlight's cone of light is a great night guide. Cone-shaped cups may hold something to eat. Some shoes look like cones when they're on your feet. With a circular base and a pointy vertex, cones are always a favorite 3D object.
Let's go!
Sphere, cylinder, pyramid, cube, cone, singing through the megaphone. Sphere, cylinder, pyramid, cube, cone, singing through the megaphone. Pyramid, cube.